Hi guys! So, ngayon nandito na naman tayo sa Super Beer Adventure. And ito ang part 2, ito ang part 4 na English Challenge. And ako lang mag-isa or mag-join yung cousin ko, yes. Di ko alam kung mag-join ba siya o hindi. Pero sige na, isisimulan na natin ang ating challenge na English Challenge. Let's go! Okay guys, so let's go here and buy buy heart, 6 heart. It's here. Okay guys, sorry. The advertise is so annoying. Sorry guys. The advertise recording. Sorry. And 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 okay, so let's go. Wait. What's this? Unlock? Oh! Wow! Wow! Sumala! Wow! Sige na! What the? Wow! Hi guys! I'm here. Oh my god! I don't know what is this, but oh my god! Unlocking! Whoa! I'm so lucky! Oh my god! So, I'm here! Hmm. Oh my god! Whoa! 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 Oh my god! Yeah, yeah. How to sleep? Oh, no? Okay, so let's go. Oh! Ouch! Oh, I'm stucking. Okay, guys, so let's out. Okay. Oh my god, let's swimming. 1, 2, 3. Whee! So cold. Oh my god. Where's the where's the where's the where's the secret base? Yeah. I'm sorry guys. I'm wrong in English. Sorry. Mm, okay. Let's go enter the zone. Okay guys, I'm here in Turtle Stone. Okay, so let's go. Oh my god. Let's collect the coins because we need it. Okay, we need it. Okay, the secret base. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Ako po. Sorry guys, naka-Tagalog ako kasi sobrang mahirap nito kasi. Sorry guys ah. Okay, let's continue the challenge. Oh my god. No, don't. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, so I'm lost. I'm failed. Oh my god, no! Don't please, don't. And that, and that, and that, and that. Books! So easy. Oh my god. Too easy. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, let's collect the coin. And another secret base here. Let's go. In the underwater. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. No. Collect the money. Oh my god. And jump. Collect the coins and A beer. Sorry guys, the advertise is so annoying. Sorry about that because the advertise is recording at my vlog. Sorry guys. Oh my god. And thank you for support me guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I need to Tagalog. So ayun lang muna yung video guys. I need to Tagalog kasi short video short, short video lang to kasi. Pero okay lang naman. I mean hindi to short. Ano, sa video to, hindi to sa short video na sa channel ko. Short lang. Gusto ko lang na short kasi di ba gusto niyo ng short video guys? Okay guys, so di ba gusto niyo ng short video? Kasi madaming nag-view sa ano ko, sa short video ko na, ano nga yun guys? Yung first na episode or part sa English Challenge. Oo, English Challenge. I mean, English Challenge. Oo, 600 yung nag-review dun. Salamat ha kasi nag-review kayo. Maraming support. I mean, maraming salamat sa support nyo guys. And yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Thank you sa pag-support sa akin guys. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye!